Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruben, and if you're new here, what's the gaga? If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. To all the people that aren't subscribed to me, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe, join the fam. Make sure you follow me on my social media, which is my Instagram at Goldie_locked. It's gonna be linked down below. And that's where I get most of my questions or my topics for my next videos. And, join the fam. I love you guys. When we get to 200 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. A custom-made giveaway, so that nobody on this planet will have the same thing as you. Because I want you to be as unique as possible. This channel is about using your creativity to make sure that you're unique, that you stand out, that you are different, that you do not fit into a stereotype, period. And that's on JC. On this channel, I do DIYs, fashion hauls, story times, and basic fashion tips. About 3 or 4 weeks ago, I got a notification from Forever 21, and there was a 50% off deal. And I like 50% off, but why get 50% off when you can get more? So I waited, because I already know how Forever 21 is. When they don't sell out of everything, they make another sale. So I waited until they had their sale that was 50% off of 50% off. I'm very cheap, but I'm very stylish. You don't have to spend bank to look like the it girl. You don't have to do that. So I ended up getting 16 items for Forever 21, and I think my total was 130. And the only reason I was really 130 was because I ended up getting the 2-day shipping instead of waiting the whole week, because I didn't want to wait. So today's video is going to be a try-on haul. I've already unboxed it. I couldn't wait. I was too impatient. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I'm actually wearing one of the pieces now. This little fur, Even though it's getting hot, I'm still going to wear this. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pulling out the items, and then I'm also going to show you clips of me wearing them. So in this video, I decided to pair these items with other items that I got in the haul, so it won't be too long. But then I also paired it with some of the things that I already have, and I'm showing you basic ways to wear these items. I mean, you can wear it however you want, but I'm showing you how I wear it, just to give you inspiration on how to dress these up and down. So correction, I miscounted. I got 18 items for 110. Sorry. So I got a total of 7 pants, 7 tops, 3 shorts, and this fur jacket. So first up, I'm going to kind of match the stuff that I dress together, so you can see both while the clip of me wearing it is up, I guess. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible, and so that it won't be as long as I've seen some hauls, because I don't want you guys to get bored, okay? Don't be bored. The first thing I got was these leather pants. I got these leather pants, and I just thought that they were really cute. Of course, leather, anything is cute. Right now, leather is it. You have to have a pair of leather pants. So I got this knitted white shirt, and it had a pocket on it. And I just thought this was really, really cute, and it's very, very stretchy. It was kind of oversized, which I kind of like my shirts, so I can tuck them in. I love the tuck in look. Next up, we have these checker print pants. This kind of fit baggy on me at the bottom of the pants, but I can easily take that in. A lot of pants don't fit the way I like them to fit. I like my pants to be tailored at my ankle. Then I paired it with this baseball cap shirt. It's basically plain, and I can add whatever I want to it. So I got these army fatigue shorts with this white strap right here on the side, and I thought this was really, really cute. At first, I thought these were really, really big, because I don't like my shorts to be down this low, but I rolled them up, and even then they fit really snug around my thighs. And then I also have this netted olive shirt, which is a plain shirt that I can add whatever I want to it, but I paired it with that, and it looks like a really, really cute, trendy army fatigue outfit. Next up, I got this checker striped like button-up shirt, and I really like this because like it's different, and the way I would wear it, I would never wear it like buttoned down all the way. Like that's so played out, and this would look really bad for me. I would either wear it with my shirt open or like most of it open, tucked into my pants. So I also got these white skinny jeans. Well, they're not even skinny jeans. I just got these white jeans that I'm going to turn to be skinny jeans because they have to be skinny. And I'm also thinking about, like, I don't really do well with white, so I might be dyeing these. Another item I got was this like kind of big oversized shirt, and it's like a nude tan color, which I like. I love nude and tan. Olive green and tan is basically the it color right now, so you have to have one of these. Like, you have to have this color in your closet. Next, I have this this little pink shirt, and this is like really stretchy, and I think this is like really cute because this color is like a pale like peachy color, and like I'm starting to get into pinks, so I wear like, you know, a little bit of pink every now and then. At first I would never wear pink because I didn't like how it looked, but now I'm like, I'm trying new colors, I'm trying to be different, because I would literally wear black and white everywhere. Okay, honestly it's hot as hell, so I'm taking this off. I'm sorry, it's like really hot. I have no fan on because if I had my fan on, you guys would hear. So let me take this shit off because I'm burning up. And then I also have these olive green like straight pants that I'm also gonna turn into skinny. Actually, I think I like these. These fit really well. So I might leave these alone. Okay, and then we also have this, the same as the arm fatigue, which is basically like a black short with like the red stripes. So yeah, I mean, you'll see how I wear this, but like, I thought it was really cute. Of course, I feel like you have to roll it up for me because I don't like my shorts that long, but at the same token, like, I'm gonna take it in. Like, I'm gonna hem it a little higher because I'm not gonna wear it like that. I have this really cute, like, it's like a baseball jersey kind of thing, and I love this. And I have one in like all black from Forever 21 that I bought like years ago, but like I have a white one now with like black stripes, and I wanted them in every color, but I don't think they were like kind of sold out on the website, and this were the only colors that it had, so I got it. And I think like this could go with anything. It's so cute. So next we have this chocolate print, and like what I wear with stuff like this, like even if it's red or like even if it's a solid color, even with like the checkered print top that I wear, I don't like to wear the same color with it. Like, I wouldn't usually wear all red with this. I would either wear like all white or like I'll add another color for a pop. Like, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell notification so you'll be notified for the next time I post my videos. If you're not notified, then how would you know? Like, how would you know? Click the bell notification, please. Thank you. But thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.